That's Dr. William Li, a renowned physician, researcher, and author. He is the president and co-founder of the Angiogenesis Foundation. He's also the author of the New York Times bestseller, Eat to Beat Disease, which has become a vital resource for those looking to harness the power of diet and nutrition in preventing and fighting diseases. Through his innovative approach, Dr. Li continues to inspire and educate, empowering individuals to take control of their health through science-based strategies and lifestyle changes.
Could the answer to cancer be preventing angiogenesis? Beating cancer at its own game, so that cancers could never become dangerous. This could help healthy people as well as people who have already beaten cancer.
Cancer remains one of the leading causes of death worldwide, claiming millions of lives each year. According to the World Health Organization, cancer accounted for nearly 10 million deaths in 2020, with breast, lung, colorectal, and prostate cancers being the most prevalent. Amidst ongoing research for effective treatments and preventive measures, tea has garnered attention for its potential role in cancer prevention.
Or tea. Now first, a little bit about teas. Teas all come from a shrub that grows kind of like a tree, whose leaves contain a polyphenol called catechins. EGCG is the one that's been best studied.
In today's video, with the help of Dr. William Li, we are going to uncover the top 5 teas that will starve cancer. Number 5, green tea.
In that same system, we've actually thrown different food substances. And as an example, we took a drug that is a designer drug to stop angiogenesis. And then we actually also threw blinded, so we didn't know which one was which, a substance that turned out to be the powdered extract from just regular green tea, a cup of green tea. And we found that they were, in that system, they went head to head against each other. And you could actually get the same effect in that test system. So now the question is, we've looked at this in the lab. How does this actually play out in real people, in the real world? Well, there are studies now that show that even 2 to 3 cups of tea a day can lower your risk of developing ovarian cancer, for example, by up to 50%.
One of the reasons why green tea has been popularized is due to its potential health benefits, particularly its role in cancer prevention. This ancient beverage, revered in many cultures, is rich in powerful compounds that contribute to its anti-cancer properties. The key components in green tea, known as catechins, have been extensively studied for their ability to combat cancer cells.
Green tea, especially, has a natural polyphenol that's called catechins, EGCG, epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, and the catechin is actually just part of the natural substance in the tea leaf. So whether you're brewing tea with a bag, or whether it's loose leaf tea, or whether it's matcha, which is just powdered tea leaves. The fact of the matter is that into the brew, into the liquid, the hot liquid, comes all these phytochemicals, including these catechins. So when you sip straight tea, the catechins go right in. They're easily absorbed by your body. And so, our blood levels of catechins go way up.
Epigallocatechin gallate stands out as one of the most powerful catechins present in green tea. For this reason, it has been found that EGCG can stop the growth of cancer cells through multiple mechanisms. What it does is activate cancer cell death, thereby preventing growth and spread. In addition, EGCG has been proven to stop the angiogenesis process by which new blood vessels develop. Denied this process, green tea conceivably starves the cancer cells because they lack food that they need for growth and reproduction.
So many things that catechins can do. One of the things that's important is actually it's a relaxant. It actually helps lower your stress. It lowers the catecholamines. And so other things, it helps your lipids. It actually also helps fight cancer. It's anti-inflammatory. Kind of like curcumin. It's a substance that has so many beneficial things that, at least when I drink tea, I want to get as much as I can out of my food.
The antioxidant properties of green tea also play an important role in its cancer-fighting capabilities. Antioxidants protect cells from damage caused by free radicals, unstable molecules that can lead to cancerous changes. By neutralizing these free radicals, green tea helps maintain cellular health and reduces the risk of mutations that could lead to cancer. Studies have shown that frequent intake of green tea could reduce breast, prostate, or colorectal cancer occurrences. Number 4. Black tea. Black tea comes from Camellia sinensis plant leaves that undergo a fermentation process, which makes them change color to black and have a thick consistency, unlike any other beverage known to humans. Despite its bitter taste, black tea has been found to be full of some bioactive compounds that are involved in fighting cancer by starving them off and stopping their growth.
Black tea actually can call out those stem cells from your bone marrow to increase their levels in your circulation. And when your stem cells are circulating in your blood, they come out of their hiding spots in their storage container, the garage that the paint cans were stored in. They come out like bees flying out of a hive, and then they circulate in your body looking for organs to repair. So wherever you need a little bit of renewal, regeneration, your stem cells will fix it invisibly.
Yeah.
And so black tea can actually spark that repair and regenerative process.
Black teas are packed with polyphenols, particularly theaflavins and theorubigens, which are high in antioxidants needed for getting rid of toxic substances from the body. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells and lead to cancer. By fighting oxidative stress, the antioxidants in black tea help protect cells from damage and reduce the risk of cancerous transformation. Research has shown that black tea consumption may be linked to a reduced risk of various cancers, including those of the skin, lung, and gastrointestinal tract by inhibiting angiogenesis, a process where new vessels grow around tumors, which is one of its mechanisms against malignancies. In doing so, black tea can effectively suffocate cancers by denying them nutrition through starvation, while additionally hindering their ability to replicate as powerfully as before by inducing programmed cell death among them. Moreover, black tea also contains other essential substances like flavonoids, which contain anti-inflammatory and anti-carcinogenic properties. Some studies suggest that regular consumption of black tea may enhance the body's immune response, further aiding in the prevention of cancer. Number 3. Chinese jasmine. Chinese jasmine tea is renowned for its fragrant aroma and delicate flavor. It has been known for centuries, not only for its sensory appeal, but also for its potential health benefits, including its role in cancer prevention. This tea, typically made by infusing green tea leaves with jasmine blossoms, combines the health-promoting properties of both green tea and jasmine flowers. One of the primary health benefits of Chinese jasmine tea comes from its base of green tea leaves. Green tea contains abundant catechins, especially EGCG, which have been extensively studied for their anti-cancer properties. Apoptosis, or programmed cell death in cancer cells, is promoted by EGCG, a process that also involves anti-angiogenesis because it prevents the formation of new blood vessels that provide nutrients to tumors. Apart from the benefits of green tea, jasmine contributes in its own unique way to our health. Jasmine possesses anti-inflammatory effects imposed on body systems and is rich in antioxidant agents that can be used for cancer prevention as well. In this sense, antioxidants are required because they act like scavengers for free radicals in our cells, which usually lead to cancerous cells. Jasmine tea is known for its ability to neutralize free radicals, thus maintaining cellular health and reducing the chances of having cancerous mutations. There have been many studies investigating whether there is any link between the intake of jasmine tea and cancer risk. Evidence has suggested that regular drinking of jasmine tea reduces the chances of getting different types of cancer, such as prostate, breast, and colorectal, among others. The calming and stress-relieving properties of jasmine tea should also not be overlooked. Chronic stress and high levels of inflammation are known to contribute to the development of cancer. By promoting relaxation and reducing stress, jasmine tea can indirectly support the body's defense mechanisms. The pleasant aroma of jasmine is believed to have a soothing effect on the mind and body, which can enhance overall well-being. If you're enjoying this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Number 2. Earl Grey. Earl Grey tea is traditionally made by blending black tea leaves with the essential oil of bergamot, a citrus fruit that gives it its characteristic aroma and taste. The combination of black tea and bergamot not only creates a delightful drinking experience, but also offers a variety of health-promoting properties. One of the primary components of Earl Grey tea that contributes to its health benefits is the black tea base. Black tea is rich in polyphenols, particularly theaflavins and theobromines, which are powerful antioxidants. These compounds help to neutralize free radicals, unstable molecules that can cause cellular damage and lead to cancer. By reducing oxidative stress, the antioxidants in black tea protect cells from mutations that could result in cancerous growths. The other key component of Earl Grey tea is bergamot oil, which contains a variety of bioactive compounds, such as flavonoids and polyphenols. These compounds are known for their antioxidant properties, which help neutralize free radicals in the body. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to the development of cancer. By reducing oxidative stress, the antioxidants in Earl Grey tea may help protect cells from damage and reduce the risk of cancer. Moreover, bergamot has been found to have potential anti-cancer effects on its own. Some studies suggest that bergamot oil can induce apoptosis in cancer cells and inhibit their proliferation. Another promising aspect of Earl Grey tea is its potential to influence angiogenesis, the process by which new blood vessels form. Cancer cells rely on angiogenesis to obtain the nutrients and oxygen they need to grow and spread. Some studies suggest that the polyphenols in Earl Grey tea can inhibit angiogenesis, effectively starving cancer cells by cutting off their supply of nutrients. This mechanism is particularly important in preventing the growth and metastasis of tumors. In addition to its potential anti-cancer properties, Earl Grey tea offers other health benefits that contribute to overall well-being. It is known to support cardiovascular system by improving cholesterol levels and reducing blood pressure. The calming effects of bergamot oil can also help reduce stress and anxiety, which are important factors in maintaining a healthy immune system. Number 1. Special blend.
For preventing cancer. So here are 4 different teas that we've tested. They're all common ones. Chinese jasmine, Japanese sencha, Earl Grey, and a special blend that we prepared. And you can see clearly that the teas vary in their potency from less potent to more potent. But what's very cool is when we actually combine the 2 less potent teas together, the combination, the blend, is more potent than either one alone. This means there's food synergy.
The combination of sencha and jasmine tea offers a unique blend that not only delights the senses, but also provides significant health benefits. Recent studies have begun to highlight the potential health benefits of combining jasmine tea and sencha, particularly in their role in inhibiting cancer cell growth. Jasmine tea, known for its fragrant aroma and delicate flavor, is rich in antioxidants called polyphenols. These compounds have been shown to possess anti-carcinogenic properties, neutralizing harmful free radicals in the body. Sencha, a type of green tea that is especially popular in Japan, also boasts a high concentration of catechins, another group of powerful antioxidants. When these 2 types of tea are combined, their collective antioxidant properties can create a synergistic effect, potentially enhancing their ability to combat cancer cells. The mechanism by which jasmine tea and sencha may help starve cancer cells involves several biochemical pathways. Both teas contain EGCG, a type of catechin that has been extensively studied for its anti-cancer properties. EGCG is known to inhibit the growth of cancer cells by blocking specific signaling pathways that are essential for cell proliferation. Additionally, it can induce apoptosis, a process of programmed cell death, which is crucial for eliminating cancer cells. The combination of jasmine tea and sencha can amplify these effects, providing a robust defense against the progression of cancer. Moreover, the anti-inflammatory properties of jasmine tea and sencha further contribute to their cancer-fighting potential. Chronic inflammation is a known risk factor for the development and progression of various types of cancer. The bioactive compounds in these teas can reduce inflammation, thereby lowering the risk of cancer development. After all, while these teas are valuable additions to a healthy lifestyle, they should complement other preventive measures, such as a balanced diet and regular exercise.